Now we've opened the box, let's look at the contents. We have this envelope which contains key documentation. We have the accessories kit which contains power supply and other useful items. And then we have the ICx itself, which as you can see is extremely securely packaged. So we've put the box to one side and we've got its contents here. The Lovibond ICx itself, the accessories kit, the document envelope, and finally the quick start guide. Now that we've unboxed and got the contents out, let's look at each in more detail. First of all, the accessories kit. We open it up here. You see we have a USB cable for connecting to a PC. We have a USB memory stick that contains the manual and other key documents. We have a glass reference performance filter. We have power supply alongside regional cables dependent on your location. And then we have the glass borosilicate cell. Now that we've looked at the accessories kit, let's look in this envelope, which contains key documents. We have the certificate of conformity. We have the certificate of calibration. We have the Lovibond ICx guide to good laboratory practice and a quality control report.